Hi, Paulus, Eddie here from F.M.C.A. in the Republic of Korea. Today, I'll make the pre-flight inspection and remote control settings of the F.M.S T-28 Trojan. The wingspan is 1,400 millimeters. I'll remove the propeller and make the propeller balancing. Not long ago, on my YouTube channel, a subscriber asked if attaching a balancing tape here would create a vortex airflow when it rotates. At the time, I answered it doesn't have the big of an effect since I use a little bit of balancing tape. That question also makes sense, so I'll give you one more tip here. That's just use aluminum tape for the balancing. This is the aluminum tape I used. Now, let's start with the propeller balancing tool. At this time, I'll show you how to hold the propeller and propeller adapter all at once. Now I will locate the T-28 Trojan propellers on the balancing tool. Well, it's done. I'll show you. This propeller, the blade, is heaviest, and I will attach the 3M aluminum tape like this. Now, on the propellers and adapters, draw a straight line on top with the marker pen, like this. That is the balancing position. That way, you can report to it later when reassembly is needed. Alright, now I finished the balancing of the propeller for the F.M.S T-28 Trojan. Let's check it. Alright, it's still rotating, and the other side. It's almost stopped. Okay, I satisfied the balancing. Let's go to the next. Alright, now we have the final step for the propeller balancing. Now, I will give some adhesive here to fix the balancing tape. This adhesive will fix this balancing tape on the surface of the propeller. Now, I finished. After some minutes, I will using this Loctite CA primer on the surface. The next step is for the battery. Let's go. In the manual, the battery is specified as 4-cell 2600 milliamperes. The weight is 285 grams. But in my case, I plan to use a mix of 3000 milliampere 4-cell batteries. The weight is 405 grams, and 4000 milliampere and 526 grams, and 5000 milliampere to 630 grams. The position of the battery relative to CG may change depending on the capacity, right? First, remove the F.M.S reflex gyro that won't be used and remove the center red wire from the server cable from the ESC. Then install and connect an additional external BC. It's best not to trust the BC built in the ESC. The weight of the external BC and dedicated battery will be added. The weight, as you can see, the weight of the aircraft will increase by the amount minus the weight of the removed gyro, right? Of course, the weight of the battery is separate.